Hey everyone, welcome back to Earn with Henny. Are you tired of wondering how to monetize your YouTube channel? Well, today I'm sharing the secrets to making money with YouTube AdSense. First, let's talk about what AdSense is. AdSense is a program that allows creators like you and me to earn money from ads displayed on our videos. But here's the thing, it's not as simple as just enabling ads and waiting for the cash to roll in. You need to understand how the system works and how to optimize your channel for maximum earnings. So, how do you get started? First, you need to meet YouTube's monetization requirements, which include having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once you've hit those milestones, you can apply for AdSense. Now, here's where most creators go wrong. They think that just because they have AdSense enabled, they'll start raking in the cash. But the truth is, AdSense is a competitive game. You need to have a solid understanding of your audience, your content, and your marketing strategy to really succeed. So, what can you do to increase your earnings? First, focus on creating high-quality content that resonates with your audience. The more engaged your viewers are, the more likely they are to watch ads and click on them. Second, optimize your videos for maximum ad revenue. This includes using relevant keywords, tags, and descriptions to help YouTube understand what your content is about. Third, build a loyal community of viewers who will support you and share your content with others. The more eyes you have on your videos, the more ad revenue you'll generate. And finally, stay up to date with YouTube's policies and best practices to ensure you're always in compliance and maximizing your earnings. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you found this helpful in understanding how to make money with YouTube AdSense. Remember, it takes time, effort, and a solid strategy to succeed, but with persistence and dedication, you can turn your passion into a profitable business. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated on new content. See you in the next video.